Spirit 336, Orlando Tower, turn right, heading 205, anyone left, clear takeoff.
205, heading clear takeoff on 8 336.
UPS 2343, kind of departure.
Go departure 2343, zip.
Yep. Spirit 336, kind of departure.
Right, Spirit 336.
Spirit 336, 2000, climb 5000, heading 205.
Spirit 336, departure rate of contact, climb maintain 16,000.
Say again, Spirit 205, I'm sorry, 336.
Spirit 336, departure rate of contact, climb and maintain 16,000.
Up to 16,000, Spirit rings 336. Departure 336, actually like to return back to the airport. We're getting different fumes in the cockpit here.
Alright, Spirit 336, roger, amend your altitude, climb maintain 5,000. And would you like an ILS 18 right?
We'll take ILS 18 right, Spirit 336, and we're now declaring an emergency, please.
Spirit 336, roger, and fly heading 330, expect ILS 20 right approach.
Heading 330, Spirit 336.
Approach Frontier Flight 105. We're out of, we're level on 11,000 with Quebec.
Spirit 336, turn right heading 350.
Right turn 350, Spirit 336. And would you mind let company know that we're turning back to the airport, please?
Yeah, we'll let.
Thanks a lot.
Frontier Flight 105, 11,000 with Quebec.
Frontier 105, Orlando, expect ILS 20 right approach.
20 right, Frontier Flight 105.
Orlando departure Southwest 3113, 3000, climbing at 5,000.
Southwest 3113, departure rate of contact, climb maintain 16,000.
Climb to 16,000, Southwest 3113.
Spirit 336, fly heading 360, and when you got a minute, I need souls on board and fuel remaining a minute.
208 passengers on board, and 208 passengers on board, and we have about 2 hours, 5 minutes on board of fuel.
UPS 2343, contact Jacksonville, Center 135.75.
3575, UPS 2343, CF.
Spirit 336, do you need additional downwind or anything, or are you good for a regular ILS 20 right?
I think we just heading a downwind for now, just for a second.
Okay, you just advise when you're ready.
Thank you very much.
Southwest 3113, sliding 290.
Heading 290, Southwest 3113.
Roger, good morning at 2757, 2,400, climbing 5,000.
United 2757, departure rate of contact, climb maintain 16,000.
Climbing 16,000 at 2757.
And Spirit 336, was the souls on board 208 or 203?
Souls on board 208.
Frontier 105, going to maintain 7,000.
7,000, Frontier Flight 105.
Spirit 336, are you currently on oxygen?
Affirmative.
And for planning purposes, CFR lead 82, looks like 208 souls on board, 2.5 hours of fuel remaining. I would estimate, yeah, well, we're not 100% sure he's coming right back into land, but if he is, I would imagine he's about 5 minutes out.
Orlando, Spearwings 336, ready for our descent and a turn back to the approach.
Spirit 336, roger. Center maintain 3,000, turn right 090.
3,090 heading, Spearwings 336.
Departure Delta 555, about a 1,500 for 5,000.
555, departure rate of contact, climb maintain 16,000.
Climb maintain 16,000, Delta 555.
Frontier 1013, contact Jack Center 135.45.
3545, Frontier Flight 1013, good day.
Spirit 733, turn right 290.
290. Disregard for Spirit 336.
Spirit 336, the emergency, flight heading 150, join the ILS for 18 right.
150, join the ILS, 18 right, Spirit Wings 336, emergency aircraft.
Spirit Wings 733 is my departure. Climb maintain 16,000, flighting 290.
Turn right to 290, climbing at 16,000, Spirit 733.
Delta, fine, turn left to Guano on course, maintain 16,000.
Left turn direct Guano up to 16,000, Delta 555.
Spirit 336, you're 6 miles from Tuffy, maintain 3,000 close size from the localizer, cleared ILS, 18 right approach.
MCO Command, it appears they're turning the emergency aircraft in. He's approaching maybe 10-mile finals, so probably 3 to 4 minutes for 18 right, your next arrival.
Spirit Wings 336, my emergency aircraft. You are 6 miles from Tuffy, maintain 3,000 feet close size from the localizer, cleared ILS, 18 right approach.
3,000 feet, so established, clear for the ILS, 18 right, Spirit Wings 336.
Frontier 105, turn on the left, heading 270.
Left 270, Frontier Flight 105.
Orlando departure, good morning, Southwest 5179, 1,700 for 5,000, heading 205.
Delta 5179, departure to contact, on maintain 16,000.
Up to 16,000, Southwest 5179.
Spirit Wings 336, contact Orlando Tower 124.3.
24-3, Spirit Wings 336.
Frontier 105, turn left heading 210, join the final 17 left.
210, join final 17 left, Frontier Flight 105.
Departure Spirit 2005, out of 1600, number to 5,000.
Spirit Wings 2005, departure rate of contact, climb maintain 16,000.
166,000 in 2005.
Tower, Spirit Wings 336, emergency aircraft on final, 18 right.
Spirit 336, Commander Tower, wind 240 at 6, turning 18 right. Good land, vehicles are standing by, and sounds like they're going back to gate 34.
Spirit Wings 336, copies all. Clear to land. And we're clear to land, Spirit Wings 336.
Land.
Speed check, flaps 3.
I'm sorry, say it again. Spirit 336, did you want to make your way to the gate?
Spirit 336, affirmative.
Spirit 336, thanks at Echo, cross new 18 left, and then taxi with me, Echo, Echo 3.
Okay, stay on Echo, cross 18 left, and then Echo, Echo 3 to the gate for Spirit Wings 336. And thank all the guys for showing up, helping us out this morning.
Much thanks.